So, hey guys, haven't done this kind of video in a while anyways. So, I know this is different from my usual Dreadbear Show content, but differentiate. So, today, I have two Card 5 Vanguard overdress structure decks. Don't ask, I don't even know why I bought them too, I just, interested? Anyways, so, I guess we'll just start opening them then. So yeah, so in the first structure deck we have playmat, and then of course the most important part, the deck. Now, if I can just find my way into this. It's okay guys, I'm just haven't opened these on camera in a long while. Since a Dragon Ball video a long time ago. Anyways, so let's start. Oh shoot. Anyways, okay, so firstly we have sorry. We have Apex Rider Bastion. Yeah. Oh, by the way, we've got 3 extra copies. And then we have Knight of Heavenly Spear Rux. 4 copies of him too. And then Knight of Heavenly Sword Fort. 4 copies as well. I'm just gonna stop saying the copies. You can see them on screen. And then we have Knight of Heavenly Bow Base. Pretty cool. Vehement Witch Ramina. Yeah, if I pronounce things wrong, just saying I'm gonna do that a lot. I'm probably gonna do that a lot. So, but yeah. Here's them. Another grade 3. Stage 3. Just to know, I'm just getting back into Vanguard. If I don't remember a lot of this, then that's why. Anyways, back to getting the cards out. We have Knight of Broadaxe Rathlux. Pretty cool card. Then, Shadow Bow Archer Lysana. Platinum Wolf. Quite simple. Life-Saving Angel Kurabil. Yeah, 3 other copies. And then, Spiritual King of Determination, Albaria. Pretty cool artwork. Then, Knight of Heavenly Hammer, Gorgant. Knight of Heavenly Pierce, Gallus. And then Knight of Heavenly Rend Lif. And then we have Healer of Heavenly Staff Arceus. And then, the Hour of Holy Judgment Cometh. Okay, and that's structure deck 1, and that's this first structure deck. So overall, yeah, pretty cool. And now onto structure deck 2. And now with structure deck 2, we have another playmat, as expected, and the deck. Okay, so firstly, we have Silverhorned Beast King Magnolia. Jesus, these names are long. Then Silverhorned Beast Latisse. Definitely cool. And then Silverhorned Beast Chavis. I'm just gonna reiterate, don't get mad at me. I seriously don't know how to pronounce a lot of this. I haven't been in the Vanguard community at all for a long time. Well, since the announcement of overdress, like I said. And this is Vanguard overdress, the new version. Anyways, Silverhorned Beast Lotte. Seizing Slash Mutant Bruslash. And then Silverhorned Beast Duga. Then, and this is Looting Petal Stormalia. Pretty cool name. Knight of Friendship Cyrus. Hopeful Maiden Alejandra. Then, another Spiritual King of Determination or Albaria. Some cards from this deck too. I'm fine with that, I don't really care. Then, Silverhorned Beast Jackalope. Then, Silverhorned Beast Polita. Silverhorned Beast Valin. Then Silverhorned Beast Zlatarog. Another pretty cool art. And then Call to the Beasts. Overall, thoughts on the second deck, pretty nice. And now, I'll do one last thing before we get to the ending announcements. I gotta show you all the playmat. So yeah, pretty cool. And yeah guys, so now it's the end of the video. I'll just come with some closing announcements to just say that another Dreadbus Show episode this Sunday, episode 7. As usual, like seriously. But hey, episode 7. And also, by the way, Oh, poop. Just saying, there'll be more videos like this in the future. Just saying, I'm mainly focusing on Dreadbear Show Season 2 at the moment. This has just come out of nowhere because I had the chance. Also, if you haven't noticed, I am, yes, in a different room. Anyways, see ya next time. And also, like and subscribe. That's important. Please. Cough, cough. Cough, 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 cough. Only 1% of people who watch my videos are subscribed. Cough, cough. Anyways, yeah. See ya next time.